Greetings, fellow Space Marines. This is Mr. Alan D1, and for the Doom community, this is Londo1. In today's video, I am going to be going over a little tutorial on how to run the Toby Accessibility Mod with your favorite custom Doom WADs that you like to play. I want to give a thank you and shout out to Mr. RealDareDevil for bringing this to my attention. And I do want to just say thank you, because this is one thing in which I should have included in the audio manual, and something that I didn't think of. So, that update will come with the next official release, but for the time being, this tutorial will be a good in-between in the meantime. Alright, so right now I'm in the Toby Accessibility Mod version 8.0 folder, and at the top of the folder we have these subfolders. Now the one that we want to focus on is the one with the name Addons, and that should be the very first subfolder you'll come across in the Toby Accessibility Mod version 8.0 folder. So we'll be focusing in this section right here. So I'm going to go into the Addons folder. Now you'll be given a handful of other subfolders in here. So the ones that you will find in version 8.0 is Doom, Heretic, Hexen, Maps, and Menu. So the one that you want to go into is the Maps. So this is where all the Toby Doom levels are. So that includes, of course, Toby Doom.bat, Toby Heretic levels, Toby Hexen, Toby's Death Arena, and even the demo level. So this is where we're going to be putting our custom Doom WAD, okay? So the one that I have for our little example is Icarus, made by Team TNT back in 1996. Great WAD, by the way. So I'm going to move this WAD file into the Maps folder. Okay? So it's right in here. So I'm going to go back to where we initially started in the Toby Accessibility Mod version 8.0 folder. Okay? Right at the very beginning. I'm going to go to a batch file that's named Play Toby Doom.bat. Okay? What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste, or Control C and Control V. Alright, so I'm going to paste. Now we have a copy of that batch file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it to Play Icarus. Okay, but you can rename it to whatever you like the name of the custom mod that you want to play. Alright, so we have the name as Play Icarus. Alright, I'm going to right click on it. We're going to go to Edit, which will be the second option in the little menu that pops up. So it's under the Open, so you want to go to Edit, and then the text document window will open up, or a notepad document window. Alright, now you'll have a whole bunch of text here, but you want to focus on the last bit. So you'll find where it says, and this is the last thing that's in quotes here, alright, so you have open quote dot backslash addons backslash maps backslash Toby Doom levels dot wad. Alright, so this is the one thing you want to focus on here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to change the Toby Doom levels section of that, Toby Doom levels.wad. You're going to rename it to the file that you want, the file that you want to play. So in this case, Icarus, so I'm going to type it as it is. It's all caps. So I renamed it to Icarus.wad. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to hit Control S on my keyboard. Alright. And then I'm going to close out of the notepad window here. Alright. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on this. Double click on Play Icarus.bat. Alright. and then it's going to bring up what you would normally get when you're playing Toby Doom or Toby Heretic or Toby Hexen. It's going to ask you what game you want to play. So for, in this case, like Icarus, it's Doom 2 that it runs on, alright? So, you select the game that you want, and then you hit play game or press enter after you select the game that you want, and then you're good to go. Now, I'm not going to hit play game here because OBS Studio is a bit weird when it comes down to running Doom, but technically that's what you do in this case. Is after you select the game, you hit play game, and you're good to go. And that's essentially it if you want to play your custom Doom WAD. And for those who may be using version 7.0 or 7.5, although you could still play a custom Doom WAD with it, but I would recommend you create a maps folder within the add-ons folder. It would make it a lot easier that way. So that's pretty much it, folks. I hope all of this was very helpful to a lot of you. And if you have any questions or comments or anything else that you need to let me know about or let my team know about, just know that we're always at the ready to hear your inquiries, and we'll do our best to help you and solve the problems in any way possible. And as you know, the Toby Accessibility Mod has been a project we've been continuously updating and fixing and making it better and better all the time. So the feedback is very helpful. So any feedback that you have, we definitely appreciate. So that's it for now, folks. I hope all of you have a great day, have a great evening, whichever time that you're listening to this. And I will see all of you in the next video. Take care.